Do you often find that AI-generated images don't match your vision? Simple requests yield weird results, and complex prompts seem impossible, wasting hours on endless tweaking. Most AI image tools just don't truly understand what you're asking for. Meet DALL-E 3, the AI image generator that actually understands what you describe. Unlike other AI, DALL-E 3 understands every detail, follows complex prompts, and renders readable text. It's also native to ChatGPT and requires no special prompt syntax. Key features include precise prompt understanding, capturing every element of complex descriptions. It also offers text rendering in images, a rarity in AI tools. ChatGPT integration allows conversational prompt refinement, and built-in safety features ensure appropriate outputs. Who benefits? Anyone needing accurate AI imagery without prompt engineering. This includes marketers creating ad visuals with specific text, educators developing custom illustrations, writers visualizing scenes and characters, and designers prototyping concepts quickly. Create exactly what you imagine. First, try it via ChatGPT Plus or the free Bing Image Creator. Then, describe your image naturally. Refine conversationally until it's right. Finally, download and use high-quality outputs immediately. Visit open.ai.com/DALL-E-3 to get started. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more content.